Today I'm going to show you all a South Indian breakfast recipe which is Venpongal, and also a good combination for this which is Katrika Gotsu. So if you have just tried this chutney and sambar for Pongal, I'd recommend you try this Gotsu as well. So now let's begin with Pongal first. For the Pongal, I've taken about 1.5 cups of rice and half a cup of Moong dal. So first we are going to wash this. Wash the rice and dal at least 4-5 times till the water looks clear enough. I washed the rice and dal well. I'm adding about 6 cups of warm water to this and about a teaspoon of salt, a small piece of ginger crushed, 2 green chillies, few curry leaves and about 2 teaspoons of oil. So now let this sit for at least about 20 minutes before we cook them. I've transferred everything to a pressure cooker now. So I'm just going to cook this on medium flame until 4 whistles or till the rice and dal get cooked well. So now the rice and dal is done. I'm adding some warm milk to it. So just mix it well, and now for the tempering, I've taken about half a cup of ghee, and once it's hot, add about a teaspoon of peppercorns, a teaspoon of cumin seeds, half a teaspoon of asafoetida powder. Just fry this for a few seconds. Add some cashew nuts and roast them till you get a nice golden brown color. So now I'm going to add the tempering to the rice. So once you add the tempering, just mix it well and mash the rice a bit. So now our Venpongal is ready. Now for the Brinjal Gotsu, we are first going to dry roast few ingredients, and for that you'll need about 7 red chillies, 2 tablespoons of Channa dal and 3 tablespoons of Coriander seeds. Just dry roast them for a few seconds till you get a nice aroma and grind it to a fine powder. Now for the curry, take some oil, and once it's hot enough, add some mustard seeds, some crushed garlic, few curry leaves. So just fry it for a few seconds and add about 1 onion finely chopped. Cook it till they are nice golden brown and add about 2 brinjals. Just fry it for a few minutes and add about 1 finely chopped tomato. So now cook this till they are nice, soft and mushy, and here the brinjals has to be a bit overcooked. So once they are done, add some tamarind extract. And some cooked moong dal. Moong dal, I've cooked them with some turmeric powder and some salt. So now I'm going to add about 4 tablespoons of the masala powder. So just mix it well and add some warm water to adjust the consistency. Now this has to be a nice thick curry. Add the required amount of salt, and now when this comes to a boil, our curry will be ready to serve. I've given the ingredients and the quantities in the description box below the video. Do check out, and I'll meet you all soon with more recipes.